Turning your engine 9J116. Turning good. The front engine looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor look as well. Altimeter look nice, in good conditions. Socket looks good. And on this side, engines looks good, as you can see. Starter look nice. Gearbox look as well, no damage. And on this side, engines looks good. Engine's turbo look nice. And on the top, plastic cover looks good, no damage, no broken. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine 9J116.